How to kill sinus infection within minutes with apple cider vinegar. The sinus infection is a simple inflammation of our membrane and tissue, and it is followed by thick mucus that is causing blockages, fevers, headaches and a lot of pain in the facial area. But there is not need to panic about this, because there are many natural ways to treat the sinusitis. It will destroy all microbes and cleanse your sinuses, therefore relieving from the pain and symptoms. Normally or most commonly the sinusitis lasts for about 3 months, but if the symptoms and the disease is ignored it may last a lot longer than that. Mostly viruses and bacteria are the ones that are triggering and causing the development of this infection. Mostly they are accumulated in the area between your eyes, your forehead and the air space between your cheeks. Mostly this infection is treated with prescribed medications, but these medications are quite harmful and may cause very unpleasant side effects and expose you to numerous health risks. Therefore people have started to look for a natural way to treat this infection. One of the best natural remedies you can get is the apple cider vinegar, because it contains huge amounts of malic acid, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants of course. This ingredient is binding to the pathogens in the body and it is able to eliminate them very easily. The best version of the apple cider vinegar is the organic, unpasteurized, raw and unfiltered one, because that way you will provide the most benefits out of it. You can notice that it is this type because on the bottle's bottom there should be sediment parts, and these sediment parts are called the mother. You can break up the mucus and cleanse your airways by the oral use of apple cider vinegar, due to its powerful abilities to destroy bacteria and its antibacterial properties. Also it will supply your body with thousands of nutrients and boost your immune system as well. It is able to alkalize your body because the electrolytes that are contained in it are able to balance your pH levels. You can prevent from microbes and attacks from them by consuming 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar on daily basis. Also the capsaicin, which is the active ingredient of the cayenne pepper, is able to treat nasal congestion, and it is one of the most effective pain killers. Try sniffing a little bit of cayenne pepper if you are dealing with a sinus infection, it will cleanse your airways for sure. Or if you cannot do this, then use a capsinol nasal spray that is rich with capsaicin. Also you can prepare a natural remedy by yourself, simply in a cup of boiled water, add a teaspoon of pepper, and drink it until the relief is experienced. This spice is able to break up the thick mucus because it is dilating the blood vessels. Therefore you will soothe the facial pain, boost the blood circulation, treat the symptoms of the sinusitis and reduce the inflammation. How to prepare a natural remedy to treat the sinus infection. Ingredients: a glass of lukewarm water juice from 1 medium-sized lemon, a teaspoon of raw honey, a little bit of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Instructions: fill a glass with lukewarm water, then add all of the ingredients inside it and stir well. Drink while the mixture is still warm, and not only you can drink it, but you can use it for gargling if you want to boost the process of recovering. The drink should be consumed maximum 2 times on daily basis. You will feel the effects after the first use, but using it regularly will completely cure you from the sinus infection within days. For more health advice be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.